Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6th, class 8th. Dear students, we study the displacement directions from the lesson metals and non-metals. And in the displacement direction, we see that in any of the salt, when a high reactive metal displaces a least reactive metal from the salt, this type of reaction is called a displacement direction. And similarly, a displacement direction takes place when an iron nail. When we have an iron nail, you see here in the beaker 2, it contains a copper sulfate plus iron nail. So what happens to it when a copper sulfate solution, it has a blue color. Copper sulfate solution has a blue color. When an iron nail is placed in it, iron nail means we are putting in iron metal. We are reacting the iron metal with the copper sulfate solution. What happens when the reaction takes place between the iron and the copper sulfate solution? Displacement reaction takes place, that is ferrous sulfate is formed. This iron may replace copper from copper sulfate. So what becomes here? FeSO4, ferrous sulfate plus copper. So copper is removed from this because copper is less reactive than iron. It is because of this displacement reaction that when iron nail is copper placed in copper sulfate solution, after some time the blue color of copper sulfate fades. The blue color of copper sulfate fades due to the formation of ferrous sulfate as a result of displacement reactions. So in the examination we were asked, when iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution, the color of copper sulfate fades. Why? So its answer is, when iron nail is placed in the copper sulfate solution, displacement reaction takes place. Iron, being more reactive than copper, displaces copper from copper sulfate, with which the blue color of the solution fades.